Dear subscribers, welcome on Profit Monitoring channel. Today we talk about Tronlink. What is Tronlink and what is Tron coin? First, Tronlink is a decentralized cryptocurrency wallet. It's specially designed for Tron users or for Tron owners. This wallet will be useful for Tron coin holders. As you may know, other many wallets support Tron, such as Ledger, Huobi, Token, Trust Wallet, Token, Rocket, and Clever. Every above mentioned wallet support Tron, but main wallet is Tronlink. As you may know, today the Tron coin is placed on the 16th rank in the coinmarketcap.com. We talked about coinmarket.com website in our previous video. Today, let's talk about Tronlink wallet official website. Here, you can find the base page of the Tronlink wallet website. As you may know, you can download the many other wallets on your smartphone. This is useful also for Tronlink wallet. You can see we can download this on Android-based smartphone, on iOS-based phone, or on your Chrome extension. This wallet will be useful for you or for Tron owners. Let's go next. In the next page, you can find some useful information about securement, about secure assets management. The Tronlink is decentralized wallet, local storage of private key, physical illustration, multi-layer algorithm, and ensuring data security. These security keys are more powerful than the other wallets. So Tronlink wallet is on the first, keep his first position among the others wallet for Tron coins. Here you can find information about well-rounded features of Tron. This is additional information about Tron. You can find there some useful information. I'll stay this page for your analyzing. Go next. Most convenient users experience. And here you can find some recommendation for Tron. This website is very simple, is very useful, and is very safe. So there's no need to show it longer. So it's our short description web video. See you on our next videos. Bye bye.